Marcel Martins, and this time I'm going to talk about technical English use, power management systems of a ship, and an electrical problem called reverse power, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the small bell down here to be notified about new releases, right?
So to facilitate understanding, let's start with a story. Pause the video, read carefully the text.
All modern PMS systems have an automatic relay protection against this very serious and dangerous problem.
So now it's the time to work a bit more, okay? This is our task 1. Read it carefully, please. Okay, now let's consider the first expression, that is to say, diesel generator, okay? I did it for you as an example, right? Let's read the definition. A machine that produces electrical power using diesel fuel, okay? Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video, try to use your electronic dictionary or any other means to look up the words and complete the table. Leave your comments below. Have you found more interesting definitions? I would love to hear from you that you found new definitions, new possibilities, okay? Now that you have everything done, it's time to get ready for the next task, okay? When a serious problem like this happens, it's important to report the problem to the chief engineer, right? Let's analyze this email John Boiler prepared to send to Mr. Billy Broken, the chief engineer. So, John Boiler starts with the greeting, and the greeting is, Dear Chief Engineer Billy Broken. The second part is the message opening, and check the opening sentence. I hope this email finds you well. Then the next step is going to be a brief summary about the problem, and it is important not to forget to be straight to the point so that the chief can understand what you are trying to describe. In fact, sometimes it's not so easy to organize the ideas in writing to communicate a problem like this. It really requires a great deal of practice. And as a marine engineer, preparing an email for your chief engineer, it's very important not to forget to mention at least what you tried to do to mitigate this problem, okay? And then have a look on the first sentence. Our primary objective was to investigate. Yeah, it shows that there was a plan, or at least a brainstorming about what to do in a case like this. After that, what comes is what I call the pre-closing of the message, right? And then there is again another example of a sentence, very useful sentence, and the sentence is, I will keep you updated with any developments. Finally, there are the closing sentence, where John Boiler shows gratitude to the chief engineer and shows him the willingness to cooperate at any time is needed, especially to go on with the research. And John Boiler ends up by signing the message, okay? Now it's the time to task number 3. That's the time when you have to check your understanding. So my suggestion is that you read carefully the 3 questions. After that, pause the video and then check the following slides with the answers, okay? Here there are my answers. Of course, there are suggestions. Try to find another possibilities. Try to produce your own answers to the questions, okay? And leave below in the comments, what have you found? Do you agree with my questions? That's very important to develop a critical view about messages, written papers of any kind, technical ones, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much.
So, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the small bell down here to be notified about new releases, right?